Bitcoin is surging toward new all-time highs, and many investors are cheering. As of late November 2024, the world's largest cryptocurrency is on the cusp of breaking the $100,000 mark. This record-breaking rally is being driven by several factors, but one of the most significant catalysts has been the pro-crypto policies promised by President Donald Trump. Investors are betting big on Trump's administration, and many are already making millions as the market heats up. But what's driving this crypto boom, and how is Trump's involvement fueling this meteoric rise? Let's dive into it. Bitcoin's path to $100,000. Bitcoin's remarkable surge in 2024 is the culmination of several years of ups and downs. The digital currency, which briefly surpassed $60,000 in 2021 before crashing below $16,000 in late 2022, has rebounded stronger than ever. As of late November, Bitcoin is up more than 60% since the US presidential election on November 5, 2024. But it's not just the traditional drivers, such as institutional adoption and the introduction of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, that are responsible for this rally. A big part of the story is the shift in the political landscape and the promise of a more crypto-friendly environment under Trump. Trump's return to the crypto world. In his previous term, Donald Trump was famously skeptical of Bitcoin, calling it a scam and showing little enthusiasm for the digital currency. However, Trump has undergone a significant transformation on this front. In 2024, he is now embracing the potential of digital assets. During his campaign, Trump made bold promises, including making the US the crypto capital of the planet, and even accumulating a national Bitcoin reserve. This dramatic pivot has been a major driver of market optimism, particularly among crypto enthusiasts and investors who see Trump's stance as a green light for mass adoption. What's particularly intriguing for investors is Trump's plan to appoint pro-crypto lawmakers to Congress, ensuring that regulatory hurdles currently hindering crypto adoption will be eased. This marks a significant departure from the previous administration's stance on digital currencies, which was more focused on regulation and consumer protection. Trump's policies aim to create a more open environment where innovation and investment in the crypto space can flourish. How investors are making millions in 2024. The optimism surrounding Trump's pro-crypto policies is having a tangible effect on the market. As the price of Bitcoin continues to soar, investors are finding new and profitable ways to get involved. Here are the key strategies that are helping them make millions in 2024. 1. Bitcoin price speculation. The most obvious way investors are profiting from Trump's policies is through Bitcoin price speculation. As the cryptocurrency nears the $100,000 mark, investors who bought in early are seeing significant returns. Bitcoin has more than doubled in value in 2024 alone, with many investors capitalizing on its rise. Bitcoin's price surge is a direct result of increased institutional interest, the approval of Bitcoin ETFs, and the growing belief that Trump's administration will make the market more accessible. 2. Bitcoin ETFs and institutional investment. In 2024, the launch of US-listed Bitcoin exchange-traded funds has made it easier for institutional investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin. The approval of ETFs earlier this year has led to an influx of capital into the crypto market. Since Trump's election, over $4 billion has flowed into Bitcoin ETFs, signaling that large institutional players are buying in on the belief that Bitcoin's price will continue to rise. These funds have become an attractive option for investors who want to profit from Bitcoin's appreciation without having to buy and store the cryptocurrency themselves. 3. Trump-backed crypto stocks. In addition to Bitcoin itself, investors are also capitalizing on the surge in crypto-related stocks. Shares in companies like Marathon Digital Holdings, a Bitcoin miner, have surged as Bitcoin prices climb. The expectation that Trump will reduce regulatory barriers for crypto companies has led to a bullish sentiment among crypto stock investors. As the crypto market grows, so too do the profits for companies involved in Bitcoin mining, blockchain technology, and crypto-related services. 4. Altcoins and DeFi investments. While Bitcoin remains the dominant cryptocurrency, other digital assets, including Ethereum, Solana, and Litecoin, are also benefiting from the overall market rally. Many investors are diversifying their portfolios by investing in altcoins, which are seeing price increases as well. Trump's policies are likely to drive further interest in decentralized finance and blockchain applications, both of which have seen increased adoption in 2024. Altcoins often present higher risk, higher reward opportunities for investors looking to capitalize on the crypto boom. 5. Cryptocurrency mining. Cryptocurrency mining remains a lucrative business for those who got in early. Bitcoin miners are benefiting from the rising price of Bitcoin, which increases their profit margins. Mining companies that have managed to scale up operations are sitting on massive profits as Bitcoin's price continues to climb. With Trump's promise of a more favorable regulatory environment for mining companies, miners are optimistic about the future of their business. The SEC shakeup. A critical part of the optimism surrounding Trump's pro-crypto policies is his promise to replace Gary Gensler, the current chair of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, who has long been a thorn in the side of crypto advocates. Gensler's aggressive enforcement actions against the cryptocurrency industry have made him widely unpopular within the space. Trump has pledged to remove Gensler early in his presidency, with the aim of installing a more crypto-friendly regulator who will reduce the scrutiny faced by the industry. Gensler's departure would likely have profound implications for the crypto market. His tenure has seen the SEC block several attempts by companies to launch Bitcoin ETFs, which many saw as a crucial step toward institutional adoption of the cryptocurrency. Without Gensler's restrictive stance, the approval of additional ETFs and other crypto investment products could become much more feasible, making it easier for both individual and institutional investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin. This expectation of looser regulation has already spurred a wave of investment in crypto-related assets. In the wake of Trump's victory, more than $4 billion has flowed into U.S.-listed Bitcoin ETFs. Products like BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF, which debuted in January 2024, have attracted significant institutional interest, further fueling the price rally. Trump's own crypto venture. In September 2024, Trump and his family took their support for crypto a step further by launching their own crypto business, World Liberty Financial. While details about the venture remain scarce, the mere announcement has sent waves through the crypto community. Investors are taking this as a signal that Trump is not just a supporter of the industry, but also has a vested interest in its success. His involvement lends credibility to the sector, which has historically been viewed with skepticism by traditional financial institutions. World Liberty Financial's entry into the crypto space signals that Trump is not just backing the industry from a regulatory standpoint, but is also actively participating in its growth. For investors, this reinforces the notion that the cryptocurrency market is on the cusp of a major transformation, one in which digital assets will play a more prominent role in the global financial system. Bitcoin's path to $100,000. As Bitcoin continues its ascent toward the $100,000 mark, investors are flocking to the digital currency, hoping to capitalize on its growth. The optimism surrounding Trump's pro-crypto policies has given rise to a new wave of interest, with many seeing Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and a store of value. The introduction of Bitcoin ETFs has made it easier for institutional investors to enter the market, further solidifying Bitcoin's position as a legitimate asset class. Bitcoin's growth is also being driven by the growing adoption of blockchain technology in various industries, from finance to supply chain management. As blockchain applications continue to expand, the demand for Bitcoin as a digital asset is likely to grow in tandem. However, Bitcoin's rise isn't without its challenges. The cryptocurrency remains highly volatile, and there are concerns about its environmental impact, with Bitcoin mining requiring significant energy resources. Additionally, while Trump's policies may help create a more favorable regulatory environment for crypto, the industry still faces scrutiny from various government bodies, both in the U.S. and abroad. Despite these challenges, the outlook for Bitcoin in 2024 is overwhelmingly positive. Investors are betting that Trump's administration will provide the regulatory clarity and support necessary for Bitcoin to achieve new heights. If Bitcoin does indeed hit the $100,000 mark, it will mark a new era for the cryptocurrency industry, one in which digital currencies are firmly integrated into the global financial system. Will Trump's policies sustain the crypto boom? As we approach 2025, the big question on everyone's mind is whether Trump's pro-crypto policies will continue to drive the market higher, or whether the current surge is merely a speculative bubble. While the crypto market has historically been volatile, the combination of favorable regulatory changes, growing institutional interest, and the increasing mainstream adoption of digital currencies gives reason for optimism. For now, investors are making millions, and Bitcoin's price continues to climb. But as with any investment, caution is advised. The crypto market is still in its early stages, and despite the positive momentum, there is always the risk of sudden market corrections. That said, Trump's pro-crypto agenda is likely to be a major driver of growth in the industry for the foreseeable future. So what do you think? Will Trump's policies help propel Bitcoin to even greater heights, or is this just another bubble? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.